In this video, I'm going to show you how to create video with the Google Veo 3. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in Veo 3. Now once you do this, one of the first links should be from Google DeepMind, and it's going to be deepmind.google, and then here it just says Veo, so we want to click on that. And then on here, this is now their website over here. So to actually try this, you should click Try in Flow over here. And then this is going to start loading, and there we go. This is now Flow, and over here you want to click on Create with Flow. Now after this, you'll be prompted to basically sign into your Google account and accept some agreements, and after you do this, you're in here and you can then start creating. Now over here you have to click New Project, and then this will open up your new project. So you can simply type in the prompt box to start. So over here it says generate a video with text. So you've probably seen those street interviews made with AI, etc. So I'm just gonna type in here, man on the street interview. There we go. He talks about YouTube and how amazing it is. Okay, so that's going to be it for now. Of course, you want to give it a lot more to say, because this will only make sense if you give it a lot more. However, for this instance, it's going to be okay. Now I'm going to click on this arrow button, and this is going to start generating. Now over here, of course, to be able to do this, you will need to have AI credits. And the way you can do this is you must be a Google AI subscriber to actually generate. Okay, so you can, of course, click on subscribe over here, and then you'll be able to basically subscribe to the Google One plans. Okay, you can explore them over here, and then you can get them to get yourself some AI credits. This is how this is gonna work for you. Now, of course, if you go to Veo over here, you can also try this in Gemini. So you can click Try in Gemini over here, and then this is going to open up Gemini for you right here. There we go. However, you will of course have to get one of these upgrades over here. So as you can see, you can either get started with a free trial essentially, or you can get it free in case you are a student. Okay, and this will give you access to AI filmmaking tool custom built with the Veo 3. Okay, so this is pretty much it. That's how you get it and how you create videos with Veo 3. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.